PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video for Friday, the 11th of January. Really a nice day out today after a wild day yesterday. Let's take a look out the window at the Skycam shots from the Skycam network. We'll pick three of them. First off, the shot from the Gulf Shores camera on top of the Phoenix Alt Suites, looking back off to the west. The sky still mostly cloudy down there. Up this way, beautiful shot there. Love that from the Hamilton Skycam. Got some cirrus streaks up there, a few contrails, and nice rays of sun. And for Birmingham, some high cirrus clouds overhead, but a beautiful day. Temperatures in the low and mid-50s. That is exactly where we should be for this time of the year. The big trough is on to the east, storms sweeping off the Atlantic coast. At the surface, the old front is down there in the Gulf of Mexico. It's gone stationary, and a little wave will likely be forming on that front over the weekend. And we'll look at that in the modeling here in just a moment. There's a look at our storm reports yesterday. The little red dots, those are tornado reports. The blue dots are hail reports, and some of the surveys are coming back. The Tuscaloosa County tornado has been rated an EF3, and you can read those on the blog. The survey teams have been working this morning from the National Weather Service. Rain for the next 5 days. We're kind of in a donut here. This is valid through Wednesday morning, and this is suggesting really nothing for us, and that's probably correct. Although this little feature over the weekend will have to be watched for maybe a little light precipitation. Here's a look at our 500 millibar chart tomorrow. The strong vortex coming through Texas. At the surface, will be dry and cool tomorrow. Probably close to 60, so maybe warming up just a little bit. Saturday night at midnight, that vortex is near Vicksburg. And we note that a little precipitation, maybe some light snow shows up there over Little Rock and Memphis and Monroe, Louisiana with that strong vortex, but there's hardly any moisture. You know, it's kind of like squeezing blood out of a turnip. But that will bring some clouds Saturday night and maybe a sprinkle or a flurry somewhere. And then down to the south, you can see the stalled front, and then we go to Sunday. A surface low develops on that front, moving rapidly northeast. It should be northeast of Charleston by Sunday. And the bulk of the precipitation should be off to the east. So I guess for the weekend, most folks will be dry, but can't rule out the chance of a few sprinkles or flurries with that strong forcing coming through here. Monday of next week, dry and cool. Same thing on Tuesday. And we note that little disturbance in the Gulf. And look at Wednesday. That thing, the surface low is south of Mobile Bay, and that shows rain as far north as Birmingham during the day Wednesday. Right now, we've got that chance of rain Wednesday night. We might have to amend it and bring in the chance of rain during the day Thursday or Wednesday, especially south of Birmingham. Thursday, that feature's gone. Very cold air off to the west. That's a 1,036 millibar high. And Friday, that's an interesting look there. Big old ridge pumping up over western Canada and the Gulf of Alaska. Big trough west of here. Let's see what's going on underneath that. Surface low in the Gulf, south of the mouth of the Mississippi. And that's suggesting rain for parts of the southeast and, yep, snow for Memphis and Monroe, Louisiana. Friday night at midnight, surface low near Apalachicola, a chance of some light snow for Muscle Shoals and Huntsville and Nashville. Rain to the south, Birmingham points south. And then on Saturday, that thing deepens and moves on to the east, and that suggests maybe some rain changing to snow on the backside of that. And remember, this is really barely into voodoo country here. I mean, this is a week away. So that's going to be an interesting one to watch all next week. Let's go out there to the 23rd. Little vortex swinging through north of here. That's a good-looking rain producer, if that's right. Very cold air north of here. That'd be a good snow there for Chicago, wouldn't it? And at the end of the cycle on the 27th, kind of a split flow. And again, split flows like that can mean ice storms for somebody. And I'm not saying here, but somebody. And we've seen the model really advertising a split flow more often than not here. So, again, it looks awfully interesting for the rest of this month. But that's it for today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the updates here tomorrow and Sunday with the Weather Xtreme video. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.